Welcome to Writing Fever. It is the fourth part of the discussion of current affairs and GK of May 2020. So, we have already discussed 60 questions under the course Global Advantage that is given by Writing Fever community. In this course, we will discuss another 20 current affairs of May 2020. If you want to download the PDF of this session of all session, then you can download the PDF from the download link that will be given on the description box of the video. You can work as a franchise as well as a content writer. So you have to just registration to our website, that is www.com/registration, and work as a franchise or as a content writer. So if you need any help from our community or regarding the PDF, regarding the video, regarding our content, regarding the content that will provided on our website www.writingfever.com, you can directly contact us through the WhatsApp number that is showing on the display, that is 70021345818. So let's get started to the another 20 question of the month May 2020, that is part 4. Let's start. That is question number 60. Who has released new online children book titled The Ikabook recently? That is, there is a one children book whose entitled is The Ikabook, and who is the writer of it? There are 5 options as always you can see in the display, and the correct answer is the point number 1, that is J.K. Rowling. Let's go to the another question, that is question number 2062. That is, according to the report titled Children and Monetary Poor Household and COVID-19 Technical Notes released by UNICEF and Save Children, how many children will be trapped in poverty by the end of 2020? What is the name of the title of the report? Is Children in the Monetary Poor Household and COVID-19 Technical Notes. And how many children will be trapped into the poverty by end of 2020? How many students? There are 5 option also, and the correct answer is 672, that is option number 3. Question number 63, that is, the Asian Development Bank and Government of India has signed loan agreement of rupees $177 million in upgrade to road in which state? That is, there is a state in India which is given $177 million by the Asian Development Bank. Okay, what is the name of the state? There are 5 options, that is West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Karnataka, and the correct answer is the Maharashtra. Let's go down, that is question number 64, that is RBI raised 80 crore through CMB. CMB is abbreviated as cash dash bill. What will be the word in this dash? What will be the word that will be fit in this dash? There are 5 options, that is market, money, management and mutual as well as medium, and the correct answer is the option number 3, that is management. That is, RBI raised 80,000 crore through CMBS. CMBS is abbreviated as cash Management Bill. Question number 65, that is the Anil Kisora has been appointed as the Vice President of New Development Bank NDB recently. Who was appointed as the new president of the NDB replacing K.V. Kamnath? That is, we can find there are two important notes. That is, the Anil Kisora has been appointed as the new Vice President of the NDB of New Development Bank. And what is the name of the president? That he was appointed as the president. Okay, appointed as the president. There are 5 options and the correct answer is the Prado Torjo. And what is the name of the president who was replaced by him? And the correct answer is that the K.V. Kamnath. We can got 3 important points from this question. So note down it. Let's go down. That is question number 66. That NASA has renamed its Wide Field Interface Survey Telescope, that is WFIRST Space Telescope, after which astronomer? Okay, what was the name of the space telescope? Okay, there are 5 options and the correct answer is that the option 3, that is Nancy Grace Roman. Okay, let's go down. That is question number 67. That is Ajit Jogi, who passed away recently, is the first chief minister of which state of India? That is, he is a Ajit Jogi. What was he? He was a CM of what state? There are 5 options and the option are Telangana, New Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Pondicherry, Sikkim, and the correct answer is the Chhattisgarh. That is option number 3. Question number 68, that is Hunar Haat program to restart from September 2020 with the theme local to global. Name the ministry which conduct the Hunar Haat. It is a program that start in 2020. What was the theme of it in 2020? That is local to global. And which ministry started? That is the question. The correct answer is the Ministry of the Minority Affairs. We can also got 2 important points from this question, that is Hunar Haat program is restart from 2020 of September, and what is the theme of this year? That is local to global. And which is ministry conduct it? This is the Ministry of the Minority Affairs. Let's go down. That is question number 69. Name the bank which has launched Vikas Bhai scheme to provide relief to MSME borrowers. What is the name of the bank that start this scheme? There are 5 options and the correct answer is the Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank. Question number 70, that is name the person who has appointed as the ambassador or permanent representative of India to United States nation. Who name the person? What was the person of the man that he was appointed as the permanent representative of India to UN? The correct answer is that the option number 2, that is T.S. Timurti. So let's go down. That is question number 71. That is the person who has built the first helicopter to be built for Mars as the Ingenuity by NASA. Name the rover competition. What was the name of the person? There are 5 options and the correct answer is Bhaneja Rupani. That is name the person who has. The name is Bhaneja Rupani. Let's go down. That is question number 72. That is name the country which plan to launch first satellite to monitor Arctic climate and environment. Name Arctica M by December 2020. That is, there will be launched a satellite to monitor the climate of the Arctic climate. And what is the name of the satellite? That is the Arctica M. When it will be launched? It will be launched in December 2020. And which state will launch it? There are 5 options, and correct answer is the Russia. That is option number 2. That Russia will launch this when in December 2020. They have planned for it. Let's go down. That is question number 73. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, that is IRDAI, had set up a panel framed standard professional indemnity policy for instant intermediaries that was issued by the insurers who had the panel. That is, what was the name of the man or person who heads it? That there are 5 options, and the correct answer is the option number 4. That is Yangapriya Bharat. Okay, let's go down. That is question number 74. That is the COVID Katha, a multimedia guide for mass awareness. A multimedia guide on the COVID-19 was launched on the occasion of the 50th Department of Science and Technology Foundation Day. Who is the Science and Technology Minister of the India? Okay, we got 2 important note. That is, there are launched a multimedia guide on COVID-19. And what is the name of the guide? It is COVID Katha, a multimedia guide for mass awareness. And at that time, who was the Minister of India that headed the Department of Science and Technology? There are 5 options, and the correct answer is option number 1. That is Harsh Vardhan. Question number 75. That is when the World Red Cross Day observed annually. There are 5 options, and that is the option number 1. That is May 8. In May 8, the World Red Cross Day was observed annually. Let's go down. That is question number 76. That is, find the country which is going to host FIFA U17 Women's World Cup in February 2020. Which country will host FIFA U17 in 2020 of the month February? There are 5 options, and the correct answer is the 1. That is in the year 2021 February. The FIFA U17 will be hosted by our nation, that is India. Let's go down. That is question number 77. Name the private sector bank which has partnered with the MoneyGram payment system for direct to bank deposit in India. There are 5 options. What is the name of the bank? Okay, and the bank is a private sector bank that partnered with MoneyGram payment system for what? For direct to bank deposit in India. There are also 5 options, and the correct answer is the Federal Bank. Let's go down. That is question number 78. That is the central government along with which state government has inked 2 loan agreement of $145 million is with World Bank Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank for irrigation and flood management project worth $413.8 million. What is the name of the state? There are 5 options, and the correct answer is the WB, that is West Bengal. Let's go down. That is question number 79. Name the body or organization which has developed a online dashboard National Migrant Information System, that is NMIS in short, to track movement of the migrants. That is, what is the name of the organization that developed a dashboard for what? For National Migrant Information, for track the National Migrant Information. What is the name of the organization? There are 5 options and the correct answer is the National Disaster Management Authority. That is option number 4. Let's go down. That is the last question of this session. Is the name the UT, that is UT means the Union Territory, which has started the initiative of Shokun COVID-19 beat the stress in order to spread awareness about the psychological impact of lockdown. What is the name of the Union Territory that launched this initiative? There are 5 options and the correct answer is the Jammu and Kashmir. That is Jammu and Kashmir will, or Jammu and Kashmir has initiated this special program Shokun COVID-19. So you have learned today 20 new GK and current affairs of the month May 2020. It is part 4 of the month May 20, and all total from the day today we have given you total 80 of current affairs of the May 2020. And if you want to download the PDF of it, of the current affairs with the explanation that we have discussed in this session, you can download it from the link that will be given on the description box. If you want to work as a franchisee or a content writer, so you please contact with us, or you can register through our website, that is www.writingfever.com/registration. So if you have any doubt, or if you have any question, any assistance you need regarding our content, regarding our PDF, regarding our content that will be provided in YouTube as well as on our website, you can directly contact through us the WhatsApp number that you have seen on the screen, that is 700213458. So thank you for today. Hope you have learned something from this today. Thank you so much. Keep watching us and help us, support us, so we can grow more. Thank you. This is under the course Global Advantage that has given by the Writing Fever community. Please join us on our website, that is www.writingfever.com. Thank you so much.